Good morning, Frankie. It's going to be a busy one out there on our major highways and expressways. We are starting off by watching a problem over on the 403. So let's take a look at what is going on as of right now. Taking a look at the eastbound QEW approaching the 403, 407 in Burlington. We have a left lane blocked off because of a collision. Tow trucks are currently on the scene here along with MTO and OPP, and we are looking at delays as a result of this. It's actually jammed on the eastbound QEW from the upside of the Burlington Skyway. So give yourself lots of time approaching Burlington. Once you get past this point, you will find it to be a relatively easy drive towards Oakville and towards Mississauga. Outside of that, heading in towards downtown on the eastbound Gardner, you'll find it to be a busy drive from Islington in the Express over towards Dufferin, and that is all volume heading in towards downtown. Southbound 410, that's a busy drive approaching approaching Sandwood down to Bavard, and then from Courtney Park towards the eastbound 401 ramp. And speaking of the eastbound 401, I believe Jordan is flying over it right now. Let's take a look.
Thanks, Stephanie. Well, looking at 401 right now, looking eastbound, traffic heading towards us from right to left is looking eastbound. There's some construction that was put in place last night, some lane realignment. So in the Express on the eastbound 401, it goes down to 2 lanes east of the 400 in the transfer. So the right lane gets dumped into the transfer, which is why it's a bit of a squeeze right now. No one really knows why this is happening. So a bit of a squeeze there. It's slow going, a lot slower than usual in both Express and collectors because of all the extra traffic going into it, and then it goes down to 3 lanes, and then a bit further along it goes to 4 lanes. So some long-term construction's been set up in this area. It's very heavy, a lot heavier than usual for this stretch. It's only going to get worse as the morning, I should say, goes on and into the evening. Friday's Lotomax jackpot is an estimated $70 million plus an estimated 50 max millions for a record-breaking $120 million. Get your tickets today. Back to you, Steph.
Thank you, Jordan. Our time now is 6:38. Coming up, the Montreal Canadiens are getting ready for round 3. After the break, Sid gives credit where credit is due. Sid 60 is next.